Hello, welcome to another episode of Hooked on Tool. Whenever we mention tools, one of the first things that come to our minds is a screwdriver. They are household items and they come in all kinds of different shapes and sizes. There are the simple slotted ones like this that you can find in every toolkit. These are usually applied on the basic screws. Then we also have the torque head, the phillips or cross slot, and then there are also the hex head and others. But here, we will discuss another form of this important tool. These are called the precision screwdrivers. These screwdrivers are small and delicate, but they are extremely effective in application. They have a much smaller grip compared to the usual screwdrivers, but the heads come in many different varieties. Here, you can see that we have a slotted head precision screwdriver. It has the same shape like the normal slotted screwdriver but used in places where a normal screwdriver won't work. Then we also have this, the Phillips or cross slot head. The precision screwdrivers are mainly applied to very small screws and delicate objects. Things like small toys, watches, computer boards, machine parts, and other such things. Their heads are usually magnetic and tend to stick to the target screws. It is to ensure that the very small and delicate screws are not lost during work or repair. Precision screwdrivers are very efficient tools and are an important part of every technical toolkit. Now, let's go and see some different ways in which we can use a precision screwdriver. Here, we can see that a toy is being opened with a precision screwdriver. A normal-sized screwdriver will never penetrate through such a small slot, so it is important to use the small-sized variant. This helps with avoiding any damage to the assembly of these objects. Computer motherboards and watches are also dismantled and assembled with them. We need a much closer grip and a very small and delicate screw head to ensure that such sensitive machines are repaired and assembled in a safe manner. Losing one screw or small part can mean losing the whole watch. The magnetic tip helps with the application and keeping the parts intact. The precision screwdrivers require extra skill and attention. One must try and practice their application before using them on important machines and objects. We hope you learned from this video. Please subscribe to Hooked on Tool and keep learning the art of being a master toolsman.